What's up, folks? Did you know there is a website, very famous website, on which you can start making money? And what if I tell you this website we all are using? Not only that, what if I tell you this website you don't even have to sell a product and still you are going to make money? So, do you want to make money? Keep watching. Welcome back everyone to another amazing value packed video of Money Spam. This is Abhi, your coach to making money online. So today we are going to use a very famous website to make money for us. And the fun part is we already use this website, we just don't know that we can make money out of it. Not only that, there are literally thousands, if not hundreds of products you can promote, and you don't even have to sell those products at all. So the marketing in which you don't even have to sell a product is called CPA marketing. So CPA stands for call per action. That means you don't even have to make a sale. For the action itself, for the intent itself, you make money out of it. If you are new to my channel, in this channel we discuss about how you can start making money online so that you can get started on your journey to prosperity and get out of that 9 to 5 life you are getting hammered hard on. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, I highly advise you to click that red button and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on any money making opportunity. So what is CPA marketing? I have discussed in very detailed CPA marketing in this particular video. This video I uploaded on 1st of January on New Year as a gift, and you can go and watch this particular video where I explain in detail about CPA marketing. And if you are having issue getting approved for CPA marketing websites, you can go and watch my first video where I explain why it is important and how you to present yourself so that you can get approved for these marketplaces. But don't worry, in this particular video we are going to use a website which doesn't require approval. In fact, approval kicks in only after you make some money out of the website first. Now what we need to do is we need to get people to sign up for a free trial. That's about it. Now you will ask why these people will give you money for signing up a free trial, because they expect people to continue with the membership. But it is up to people if they want to continue with the membership or not. There is no restrictions as such. And the website that we are going to use is called Amazon.com. I know, I have told you guys before that Amazon gives real set commission for any product that you sell. And actually it is right. Amazon really gives very low commission. But this is a special area. So the product is called Audible. Audible means audiobooks. Now please don't start running away because you won't understand how to promote this product, because this product is not supposed to promote it directly. You start pitching in, people will start running away from you. Nobody wants to get sold, as simple as that. So you need to be creative when you are promoting this product. So let me take you to Audible affiliate website, which is Amazon's website, and see, people are not worried about putting credit cards on Amazon for free trial, right? Because we all have a credit card or debit card associated with Amazon account already. So there is no issue with the credit card that it is a new website. People won't be putting CCs on it. And if you stick till the end of this video, I will give you even bonus so that you can get started and earn money within 2-3 days immediately. And this method works worldwide. Amazon.com's this affiliate program is worldwide. You don't have to worry about geo restrictions, country restrictions at all. So let me see how much you can make money out of it. So if someone goes for the membership, you make $10. Someone goes for a trial membership, you make $5. Look at this, $5 for a free trial sign up. That means each trial that you get a person to sign up for, you get $5. Imagine, it is Amazon.com. There are millions of people using it. How much money you can make out of it? And it is worldwide. You don't have to worry about geo restrictions at all. Now you will ask how you are going to promote it. So first, we do things step by step in Money Spam. So first thing what you need to do is you need to become an affiliate. Click on it, sign up, and put your real details, please. If you put any fake details, Amazon.com pays by check, you are going to miss that check. So put your real details. Amazon.com works worldwide. 99% of the countries are supported on Amazon. So just sign up with your real details, please. So once you sign up, you come to Google and you search for, let's say, best audiobooks in any category. This can be done on any category, man. Let's say you want to know what is the best relationship advice book. So we will search for best relationship advice book. I will tell you why I'm searching for book. So you found a couple of books, right? Let's say which one we can take. Let's say we took this one, Love, Sex and Staying Warm. So now what you need to do is, since you are already affiliate member on Amazon, you come back to Amazon Associate Program and you search for exact that book. So let's see. Yes, you see this? So the book is available here. We click on the link and we see, okay, this one doesn't have an audiobook, but like 99% of the books are having an audiobook. Yeah. So what I did is I went and took another book from the Google search, and we took this one. He is just not that into you. I came back and I searched for this book on Amazon Associate, and when I open this, look at this. This one has an audiobook. So we can come here and click on get a link, and this will give you a unique link for Amazon Associate. You come to text only, you click on shortened link, and this is the link. But remember, this is Amazon.com's shortened link. You don't have any control over it. So what we do, whenever we get a link, links are our assets. So we always shorten it on a website where we can control our shortened link, so that our shortened link remains same, and in future we can promote a different product on the same link. So I'm going to go to my website incisors.com to shorten this link. You can go to whatever website you use, or you can sign up an account on incisors.com, which is free, and you can shorten the link there. Let me show you how to get it done. So I am on my dashboard for incisors.com. I am going to just paste the link I got from Amazon, and I am going to click on shorten. So I will just copy this and let me paste it in a notepad. So this is our Audible link. Okay, this is the product that we need to promote. Let me just open it once. So to confirm that it opens the audiobook only. Yeah, you see the audiobook is selected by default, and you see it is free, completely free. So what people need to do is they need to click on get Audible Premium Plus free, which is $0, no cost at all. And whenever they sign up for this trial, which is for 30 days, you are going to get $5. As simple as that. Now you will ask how you are going to promote this product, right? Because you have the product, you know how to promote Audible, because you don't promote Audible directly, you promote the audiobooks. Okay, each audiobook you make $5, because people, to hear that free audiobook, people are going to sign up for the trial, and whenever they sign up for the trial, you make $5. As simple as that. So the easiest way to promote this would be Parler. I taught you guys a new social platform which is highly trending and how to use it in this particular video. I highly advise you, if you are watching this video in January or in February, you use that traffic source which is untapped and start promoting any kind of offers or any kind of product on that website. I'm not going to go into detail on that social website. For this video, we are going to just come to our Facebook groups and start promoting it. Let me log in one of my Facebook account and let me show you. So I am on one of my Facebook account, and the audiobook that we were promoting belong to which category? It belong to relationship, right? So we can search for Facebook groups which are related to relationship, related to the book, audiobook that you are promoting. Now it can be as simple as how to get my boyfriend back. Okay, as simple as that. Or how to get over a divorce. There are books for everything, man, and all in all the categories there is a famous book. Just take its audiobook, get that link, shorten it in Botax, and come to groups. Just start joining these groups, as simple as that. See, I am already a member of so many relationship groups in this account. This is not my own account, this is one of the account I manage. So just click on the filter here to set it to groups, and you see there are so many groups. The one I'm member of is 594k, that is half a million members. This one has 1 million members. There are 3 audible books. I will give you an insider tip. There are 3 audible books that you should promote. One is health, one is relationship, and the third one is how to make money online. These 3 books convert really well. Reason is simple. These are evergreen niches and people love it. So if you post a link here, you can be getting conversions from that link even 1 year down the line, depending on how popular your link gets or how many likes it gets, how much popular it becomes. Just come here and click here, put an image, catchy image. Now you will ask how to make a catchy image. I told you this already. Go to canva.com. All the links will be in my description. Click on them. Go to canva.com and start making it. In my most videos, I have taught you how to use Canva. Just make a very catchy image. Put your link below and say free audiobook or free book for you or something like that. And not only this, if you come to this video of mine, I told you how you can promote these offers by means of quizzes, man. Facebook quizzes. And people love quizzes. At the end, during the result, you can say, if you want a free ebook, this is the link you need to follow. Or something along the lines. People love it, right? Because you put simple questions, they will be able to answer it automatically. And at the end, when they will reach at the solution page, they will love it because they will think they have achieved it. So they will click on it, they will see the audiobook, and they will sign up for the trial because the trial is costing them nothing, and it is amazon.com, so their credit card is already listed on amazon.com's profile, and you will make $5 out of it. Now for the people who have stick till the end of this video, I cannot thank you enough for watching full video because I know you are highly dedicated and you really want to work hard to make money. So I will give you a bonus. What you can do is, if you are in a really serious crunch to make money, you can come to a website called SEO Clerks. Link is in the description. Sign up on this and you pay someone as low as $0.3. $0.3 for a trial credit card sign up. That is what they charge. And you make the difference. The difference is $4, $4.5. So you pay someone even $0.3 or $0.5 even, you are still making a cut. You are still making $4.5 out of it. As simple as that. Things cannot be any simpler than this. This type of work is called outsourcing, but don't do it on a massive scale because these things are against the TOS, but you guys are already an adult, and for very minor sales, 5, 10, 15, 20, 30, nobody is going to bother with it. Amazon is not going to come and start finding how people found this and that. Nobody is going to do that. Nobody will know all this. So for 5, 10, 15, 20, 100 sales, you can go and come to SEO Clerks, sign up, put up a task that you want someone to do a trial CC sign up, be upfront that this is what you need to do, and people will sign up. You will make $5 out of it. So the difference, the bonus is $4, $4.5 per work that you get done on SEO Clerks. As simple as that. And when you will make couple of sales on amazon.com, their approval will kick in. You will get approved. 99% of the time people get approved on Amazon, no issues at all, and you will start making money in no time. As simple as that. So if you think this video has helped you, please give it a like so that the YouTube algorithm can rank it higher, and hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any money making opportunity. I will see you guys in next video.